Tesla CEO Elon Musk is touting pre-orders for his company's new Cybertruck. Phil LeBeau joins us with the details. What do you hear?
Well, these are impressive numbers if you look at it in terms of number of people who have said, look, I'm interested in buying the Cybertruck. They have collected 200,000 reservations. Now, let's be clear here. These are reservations at $100 a pop. 200,000 is an impressive number, but $100 is not a whole lot for somebody to say, yeah, what the heck? Put me down for one. If you build it and sell it, I might be interested in it. And by the way, it is a refundable deposit. How does it break down in terms of the types of Cybertrucks? Remember, there are three versions, the type that people want to buy. The cheapest version, $39,900, is the price that they announced, just 17%. The remainder either want the $49,900 version or the $69,900. That's the highest priced, the tri-motor version, which they say will have range of more than 500 miles. So when you compare the Model 3 reservations after a couple of days with the Cybertruck reservations, 267,000 of the Model 3 versus 200,000 for the Cybertruck. But a key difference here, guys, the Model 3 back in 2016 when they unveiled it, they said $1,000 was the deposit. That's what you had to put down there. And that's a big difference from $100. It's not much for somebody to say, what the heck, put $100 down there. It's a big difference when somebody says, okay, yeah, I'll give them $1,000 to decide on whether or not I'm going to go forward with this. I will be curious to see what the reaction is from Wall Street to these numbers. Remember, the stock had a nice move after the Model 3 when the reservation numbers were coming out. But conveniently, over time, if you ask Tesla, if you ask Elon Musk, what's going on with the reservation backlog? They continually said, guys, we're not talking about reservations. We don't want to talk about reservations. And it became a source of irritation for analysts who were saying, well, wait a second. You touted in the beginning, but you don't want to keep us updated on it. Let's see what happens here with the Cybertruck if they say, yeah, great ideas in terms of people who want to buy this truck at $200,000 right now. Let's see if they continue to update it down the road. My guess is they'll probably do what they do with the Model 3 and not continue to update those numbers.
Although, Phil, it's not nothing. If you're putting down $100 for a reservation, that's more than just saying, okay, I'll buy one when some point down the road and put my name on the list.
Well, you were right about that, Becky. On the other hand, it's not $1,000, nor is it $2,500, which is what the deposit is for a Model Y. And I'm not saying that there's not significance here with 200,000 people putting down $100. What I'm saying is it's not on the same level as what it was for the Model 3 back in 2016, nor what it is for the Model Y. And by the way, they haven't told us what the reservation levels are on the Model Y. So it's hard to do an apples-to-apples comparison of each of these reservations. What this is Elon Musk coming out and saying, look, we see great demand here for the Cybertruck.